Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to find answers to all your questions about Oracle Cloud easily. I know you have a lot of questions about Oracle Cloud. You like to find answers to your questions in Oracle Cloud using Oracle Cloud more than third-party websites. I will tell now best method for you. It's Oracle Cloud Live Agent. There are some special things about it. First thing is it is free service. Second thing is no time limit and no questions limit. Third thing is it is live thing. Fourth thing is simple setting up process. So, let's see how do we access this service. First go to link in the description. You can see web page like this. After web page is fully loaded, you can see message icon in below right corner. Click on it. Now click on Start Chat in Cloud Support Chat. Now, we need to provide few information here. First it asks about where are you from. It doesn't matter if you change or not default country. Next it asks your email address. I forgot to tell before. You can use this service if you have a Oracle Cloud account or not. So, type any your email address. Now they provide 4 categories of questions. Now choose what category your question is include. My category is first one. So, I choose it. Now click on Start Chat. Now type your question here. Now click on Send Message icon. Now you can see list of pre-answered questions related to your question. Sometimes you can find answer to your question here. If you can't find answer, you can use Chat with Live Agent option. Our video is also about this option. Sometimes you can't see Chat with a Live Agent option like this. So, click on No to did this answer to your question. Now you can see Chat with a Live Agent option. So, now let's continue our work. Click on Chat with a Live Agent option. Now you can see chat session is established message and we are in position 1 in queue message. Now you can also see a message from agent named Harisham says he is reviewing our question and hold for moment to us. So, let's wait few seconds. Now you can see hello message from him and he ask about question. So, let's type our question and send to him. Now you can see answers. Now let's say thanks to him for helping us. Now he asked do we have other questions? I have no other questions. So let's say nope. Now he say that if we have another question, contact him again. Also say thanking to us. Now you can simply close this. So, that's it. Put comment, like and share video and subscribe my YouTube channel.